Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A3 8P reverse light. First, open your trunk and find the small access panel on the side of the tail light. Gently remove this panel. Next, you'll see two retaining nuts. Unscrew these by hand or with a wrench. Once those are loose, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. This gives you access to the bulbs. Now that the tail light is out, you need to disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling. Then, locate the reverse light bulb holder, which is usually clear or white. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Once unlocked, carefully pull the bulb holder straight out. The old bulb can then be gently pulled directly out of its socket. With the old bulb removed, take your new reverse light bulb and push it firmly into the bulb holder. Make sure it's seated correctly. Next, align the bulb holder with its opening in the tail light assembly. Push it in and then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, reconnect the main electrical connector to the tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks. Now, carefully push the entire tail light assembly back into its housing on the car, making sure it sits flush. Reinstall the two retaining nuts you removed earlier and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Replace the access panel. Finally, turn on your car and engage reverse gear to confirm that your new reverse light is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.